The Seagull Plus is Aiper's latest cordless robotic pool cleaner. It takes care of the menial task of keeping your pool clean, so you and your family can relax. With the Seagull Plus, power meets efficiency. With only 2.5-hour fast charge, it lasts 110 minutes. Turn it on with one-click activation and set it in your pool. Its powerful motor, with up to 68 GPM of suction power, picks up dirt, small stones, and larger leaves in pools up to 1,300 square feet. And once it's done, it self-parks and is easy to retrieve. With the rapid water release, the special design clears the water from your device in seconds. The Aiper Seagull Plus, with its state-of-the-art tech, makes your life easier. It has no cables, no restrictions, and is hassle-free. Aiper Seagull Plus. Experience the plus feeling.